meters to calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Means that the air will enter, from air to glass it will enter. Refractive index ratio with the help of rectangular glass slab. Apparatus required: drawing board, board means all pens, white sheet, geometrical instrument, rectangular glass slab. First of all, we have kept the glass slab at the center of the white sheet, drawn the boundaries of it. After that, we have drawn one normal at a distance of 1/4 of the length of the glass slab. Normal is drawn. And angle of incidence 20, 30, 40 are marked with our protector. Known angle. We have placed two pins P and Q here. This pin P and Q, identical and straight pins, look through the glass slab P dash and Q dash, where they appears to be in a straight line. We have joined this, drawn one normal again, and refracted ray is joined with the dotted lines. Similarly, to the third reading, second reading, and the third reading. Here, initially we have seen that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. This is the previous one. Now for the refracted ray, refracted angle we have to measure. Refractive angle in between the normal and one refracted ray. Angle in between the normal and the refracted ray. If it was sine 20, here the observation table I have taken 20, 30, 40. Now sine R I have calculated, it was found to be 13 degree. 13. Sine R2 19 degree. And R3 was found to be 25 degree. Refracted angle, first case 20 के साथ 13, second case 19 and third case was found to be 25 degree. From the mathematical table, I have calculated the ratio of sin 90 upon sin 30. Mathematical table, sin 20 is equal to 0.33428 upon 2250. Ratio I calculated found to be 1.52. Similarly, all the ratios. Calculation mean all the ratios sum divided by number of observations. Calculation mean it was found to be refractive index of glass with respect to air. It is written as A mu G. Refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. Standard is, theoretically standard is 1.5. In our practical lab it is coming 1.52. And the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.52 in laboratory. Clear? And that's precautions. In this way, the experiment gets experiment to calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Till here, what we have done, we have to do in the second experiment also. Now, for the second experiment, what extra we have to do is, we'll join the point of incident to the emergent point on face CD or the other face of the glass slab with a dotted line. This is refracted ray which has travelled inside the glass. Now angle this is known 20, 30 and the third one is 40. For the 20 degree, how much I call the refracted angle? It was found to be like 13. We will measure this angle. Yeah? We will measure this angle by keeping the protector here. By keeping protector here on the point of incidence and normal. I found it 12 degree. Clear? So sin 20 upon 12. Formula is sin 20 upon 12. First reading will be the ratio of sin 20 upon sin of 12 degree. This is R1 is equal to 12 degree. Here angle of incidence is equal to I1 is equal to 20 degree. Similarly, for the second one I will measure second refracted ray. Here it is sin 30 and I will measure the refracted angle. If say it is on sin 20 it is coming 18 degrees, 16 degrees. So for the second reading, if it is coming 60 degrees R2, so we'll write sin 20 upon sin 16. Similarly, sin 30 upon sin 16. And similarly for the sin 40 and whatever it comes. Clear? So the ratios, we will see the value of the sine from natural sine table, either from the log table or mathematics book. Clear? And ratio you calculate, minimum 3 readings we have to take. So this was the ratio will give you the refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay? Second experiment.